So you're looking at the official look of LG V40. Last year LG releases a third generation of V series smartphone, and that was the LG V30 with stunning infinity display, because in 2017 there was a trend of infinity displays. So it also has a dual camera setup on the back, but now it's an old phone, so I don't have to talk much on it because its bigger brother is coming within 2 or 3 weeks. So let's move on. So these are some leaked images of the LG V40. So that's how it will look like. Taking a look at the top front of the device, you can see it has a little notch, and it's a common thing nowadays. You can say it's a trend for 2018 smartphones. Anyhow, the notch contains ear speaker and dual selfie camera setup on front for the first time on a V series smartphone. One more interesting thing, you can match the notch with the display by this black strip like line simply by going into settings like you can do on the OnePlus 6. Moving on the back, here is something crazy that never happened before on a LG smartphone. You got three, yeah, you heard me right, you got three rear cameras on the back and a fingerprint beneath the camera. So the camera resolution is not yet confirmed, it's still unknown. On sides you got simple stuff like volume key, power key, SIM tray, blah 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 stuff you already know. At the bottom there is a headphone jack, so they are keeping the headphone jack in 2018. That's something I really appreciate. And the Type-C and a speaker. So the release date and the specs are still unknown, so I'm not gonna talk about that, but you can subscribe to my channel for more future updates and videos like this. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.